Hey guys, Rubric777. This video is going to be on how to make a Lego custom Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber hilt. This is his lightsaber from episode 3 that he uses in that movie, not in episode 2. That one's a little different. That was before this one, and it's kind of the same details as the Luke Skywalker lightsaber that he uses in episode 6, because he got the same designs from Ben Kenobi. In a book that he grabbed from Ben's old hut. But yeah, just a little information for you guys. But yeah, let's get started with this video, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Enjoy! And here are all the pieces you're going to need to make this lightsaber hilt. So first you're going to need some super glue to fit some pieces that don't exactly go together. And then you're going to need something sharp to cut a couple pieces of the lightsabers in half and stuff, and then you need 2 lightsaber hilts to make this project. First step is to cut off the top, just the top of the lightsaber hilt, and then after that cut off this piece right here with the 2 spheres around the bottom, a little on the bottom of the lightsaber, and you can add that to this lightsaber once you cut off the top, and you can have it extended as I did on this one. So there's that, and then you're gonna want to make a hole on the top part of the piece that you cut from the lightsaber. Well, hopefully that makes sense. And then you flip it over, and once you have a hole in the top, you can glue all that together and put a blue lightsaber hilt right there, and that's how you can make an Obi-Wan lightsaber from episode 3. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So let's end this video off here, guys. And yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put in the comments. If you have any interest in putting any ideas for other lightsaber hilt customs, put who or what Jedi or Sith you want me to make their lightsaber for. And yeah, this is the start of a new series. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys for watching.